In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem cannot edit the PowerPoint designs. When you have design on PowerPoint, I will show you with two methods in here. When you already have the design, okay, you can see, but you cannot edit the design, okay? When you try to clicking this line or this design, it cannot be edited. We can just only edit this text, but not with the design. You can see I'm already trying to click everywhere, but cannot select it. How to edit this design? Okay, first, maybe you can try using the select and select object pin. Okay. Then in here, you will see the item, okay, is listed all here. For example, for the title, you can click to activate this title, okay? But for the design, you need to go to another like connector here. You can see. Now, when I clicking this connector 28, it's referred to this. So we can edit like this. Also with the same. Okay, with this method, you can edit the design with very easy way. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I will try using another design first. And if you can see, you can also change the design. Okay, I will click new. Now using designer to create some design. Okay, for example, let's using this. Okay, if we close this, that we open here, we cannot edit this design also. We can just only edit the text. So how we can change the background? Okay, it is also the same. You need to click the outside and select Asian pin. Okay, you can see now you will see the picture here. When you hide this, it's also will be removed. Also with rectangle. Okay, let's using another designer. Okay, using this for example, you can also edit this. If using usually you cannot, you can see you can click this. Okay, but if you try to find one by one, you will find that item. Okay, it's number 27. You can see this is position is locked. You can see here position is locked, so you need to unlock this so you can edit this. Okay, and rectangular 29. Okay, this is also locked, so you cannot edit. Just click unlock here. Okay, and that's all how you can edit the design of PowerPoint that you cannot edit first. Okay, hope this video helpfully for you. Thanks for watching.